My dear grade 11 student, today we are going to discuss Royal College paper 2024-2025, right? Royal College paper third term mega. Please try to download that paper lamai before me, right? So you can download this paper. Please try to complete that one before me. Mata කලින් කරන්න. Then you can check your answers with me, right? මගෙත් එක්ක answers check කරගන්න පුළුවන් ඊට පස්සේ. හරි නේද? Right. Okay. Look at the next one. Let's quickly move to the first question. Three men were, right? Three men were engaged. Yes. Three men were engaged for 4 days to complete a certain task, but they could complete only one fourth. But they could complete only one fourth of the whole work. What is the magnitude of the whole task in man days? What is the magnitude of the whole task in man days? That means lamai a කියන right? Look at this one බලන්න. Yes, so that means then I'm quickly moving to the question. මම යනවා ටක් ගාලා question එකට. Three men were engaged for 4 days. 3 men, 4 days. So how many man days required for that task? 3 into 4, 12 man days. 3 into 4, 12 man days. 12 man days. 12 man days, 3 into 4, 12 man days means 1/4 of the whole work. 12 man days means 1/4. 12 man days means 1/4. 12 man days කියලා කියන්නේ 1/4. Only 1/4. So what is the magnitude of total task in man days? So this one equals to only one part. So how to find out the 4 part? So that means lamai 12 multiplied by 4, 48 man days. Right? That means total part equals to 48 man days. Right? Let's quickly move to the next one. ටක්ගලම ඊළඟ එකට. ABC and equilateral triangle BD is the bisector. Equilateral triangle means lamai all three triangles are equals to 60 degrees. That means one angle may එක angle එකක් පැටියෝ ABC bisect by BD. So that means one angle equals to 30. 60 plus 30 equals to X. A exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. Exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angle. And lamai, therefore, exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. So therefore, lamai, X equals to 30 plus 60. Then X equals to 90 degree. Then you need to write down the reason. Exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. එහෙම ලියන්න ඕන. Exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. Right? So you need to do that one. හරිනේ? Right. Okay. Question number 3 lamai. Look at this one. Question number 3. 12n. Right? Question number 3. 12n divide by 40m squared. Right. Balamo. 4n. Analamai. So that means, look at this one. 4 divided by 4, 1. 12 divided by 4, 3. M2, M cancelled out. 35 and 49, both sides we can divide by 7. 35 divided by 7, 5. 49 divided by 7, 7. 3 into 5, 15. 7 into 1, 7. M into N, M N. M into N, M N. Express 2 to the power 5. We know that lamai 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 means log base 2 32 equals to 5. 2 to the power 5 equals to 32. This one equals to base. This should be the answer. මෙයා තමයි answer එක වෙන්නේ. Right? 2 to the power 5 equals to මේ මෙහෙම බලන්න ළමයි. Look at this one. මේ බලන්න පැටියෝ. 2 to the power 4 equals to 16. How we can write down that one using logarithm form? කොහොමද ඔක logarithm form එකෙන් ලියන්නේ? Log 216 equals to 4. Just consider 5 to the power 2 equals to 25. How to write down that one in logarithm form? Log 5 25 equals to 2. Log 5 25 equals to 2. Question number 5. If B also a subset of A, shade the region A intersect B complement in a Venn diagram. B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. Look at this one, Lamai. B is a subset of A. This is A. This one equals to B. B is a subset of A. Shade the region A. A uni complement A intersect B complement. A ඇතුලේ හැබැයි B ගෙන් එළියේ. A ගේ ඇතුලේ හැබැයි B ගෙන් එළියේ. B complement. B complement means except B. Except B means ළමයි අන්න පැටියෝ except B. A intersect B complement. A intersect B complement, right? And look at this one. Now look at the slow part, right? So this one also easy. X minus 3 is common. X minus 3 common. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 7 equals to 1 over 7. 3 plus 7 equals to 1 over 7. 1 over 7 means, Lamai, now we can do the cross multiplication. 7 multiplied by 7, x minus 3 multiplied by 1. A can be x minus 3 multiplied by 1. X minus 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 7 multiplied by 7. X minus 3 equals to 7 multiplied by 7 equals to 49. So minus 3 moving to other side. Minus 3 moving to other side. When you are moving minus 3 to other side, minus 3 converting to plus 3. Minus 3 converting to plus 3. So that means my 49 plus 3. 49 plus 3. 52. 49 plus 3. 52. 49, 50, 51, 52. Harine, 49 plus 3 equals to 52. Right. Okay. Let's quickly move to the next one. Okay, Dalamai. Right. Yes. 52 minus 3 means 49. Harine. Right. Question number 7. Let's quickly move to the question number 7. Find the least common multiple of the following algebraic terms. Find least common multiple of the following algebraic terms. Least common. There are two methods. ක්‍රම දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Division method is easy. මම හිතනවා මේ division එක easy. හරි. Right. Shall I use this space? මම මේ space එක use කරන්න. Right. Least common multiple. I will take, look at this one. Right. Least common multiple of the following algebraic terms. Right. Okay. 3x squared y, 12xy, and 18xy squared. Let's see how to do this one. Right. I'm going to adjust the pencil. 3x squared y, 12xy, 18xy squared. So I'm going to divide by 2. Divide by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1x squared y. 12 divided by 3, 4xy. 18 divided by 3, 6xy squared. Divide by 2, x squared y. 4 divided by 2, 2xy. 6 divided by 2, 3xy squared. Again, we can divide by 2. I2 වලින් බෙදන්න පුළුවන්. 2x squared y, 2 divided by 2 xy, and 3xy squared. Then we can divide by 3 x squared y, then xy, then xy squared, right? Okay, lamai. Then we can divide by x. X වලින් බෙදන්න පුළුවන්. X squared divided by x divided by x cancelled out, y remaining, y squared. Again, we can divide by x, y, y, y squared. Then divide by y, 1, 1, y. Again, divide by y, 1, 1, 1. We can use that method. Make a use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? That means lamai 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 into 2, 20, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36. X squared or y squared. 36 x squared y squared. මේ මම කියන්නේ මේ මේක හදන ක්‍රම හොඳේ. So this is the first method. හරිනේ. This is the first method. Or you can use the second method. Then what is the second method? Look at this one. Look at the second method. 12xy squared. What are the corrections? 3x squared y. Look at this one. 3x squared y. 12xy. 18xy squared. So 3x squared y we can write down 3 into x squared into y. 12xy we can write down 4 into 3. 4 into 3 means 12 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. That means lamai 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 into x into y. 18xy squared. 18xy squared means 18 divided by 2, 9 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3, 1. So that means 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by x to the power 1 multiplied by y to the power 2. That means lamai, right? Anna lamai, look at this one. That means how to find down the LCM value. How to find down the LCM value. That means you need to take the highest powers. වැඩිම බල ටික ගන්න ඕන. Highest powers. What are the highest powers? Lamai, you need to take highest powers. What is the highest power of 2? 2 to the power 2. Highest power of 3? 3 to the power 2. X to the power 2. Y to the power 2. That means LCM equals to 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, x to the power 2, y to the power 2. 2 to the power 2, 4, 3 to the power 2, 9, x squared, y squared, 4 multiplied by 9, 36, x squared, y squared. You can use any method. ඕන method එකක් use කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරිනේ? Right. Okay. Let's quickly move to the next question. ටක් ගාලාම ඊළඟ question එකට. Marks obtained. So that means lamai marks obtained by 9 students, right? Marks obtained by 9 students. Right. Okay. Now you can see that one. Marks obtained by 9 students for a paper for a paper carrying a total 10 marks are given below. If mean of the above mark is 5, find the value indicated by x. Mean value. What is the mean value? My mean value equals to 10. Mean marks lamai 5. Mean of the above marks is 5. Find the value of indicated by x. That what is the meaning of mean lamai? Mean means average. How to find the average? Total divide by number of terms. Number of terms means 9. නේද? So that means mean equals to, look at this one, mean equals to total divide by n. What is the mean value? What is the mean value? Mean value 10. Total means you need to add 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 25, 30, 33. 35, 40, 44. Right? So that means lamai 44. 44 plus 6. 44 plus 6. 44 plus x. Divide by n. Divide by n means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N means 9. Chuta kai balamudu. 2 plus 9, 11, 19, 23, 30, 30, 40, 41, 44. Harine? Now lamai, look at this one. Again, denominator equals to 1. We can do the cross multiplication. Again, lamai, we can do the cross multiplication. So how we can do the cross multiplication? Look at this one. How we can do the cross multiplication? 10 multiplied by 9 equals to 1 multiplied by 44 plus 6. 1 multiplied by 44 plus 6. 10 into 9 pedio 90. 44 plus x. Sorry lamai. Marks up in 9 carrying a total 10 marks. Sorry, mean is 5, not 10. Sorry. Mean equals to 5, right? Mean equals to 5, not 10. Mean equals to 5. Then mean equals to 5 means 5 multiplied by 9, 45. 5 multiplied by 9, 45. Right? 45 means lamai 45 plus 44 moving to other side minus 44 equals to x. Right? Yes. So that means lamai x equals to 1. What is the answer? X equals to 1. Hari neda kodne? Yes. So that means x equals to 1. This one also lamai, right? Question number 9 lamai, 25x squared. 25x squared equals to 49. 25x squared equals to 49. So what we can do, 24x squared plus 49 moving to other side minus 49 equals to 0. 25 means 5 squared, x squared, 49 means 7 squared equals to 0. Now lamai, we can factorize that part. So we can factorize that part means 5x minus 7, 5x plus 7. 5x minus 7, 5x plus 7 equals to 0. Now we can take this term equals to 0 or this one equals to 0. 5x minus 7 equals to 0 or 5x plus 7 equals to 0. Minus 7 පැටියෝ moving to other side. Minus 7 එහා පැත්තට යනවනේ. Minus 7 එහා පැත්තට ගියහම මොකද වෙන්නේ? Plus 7. Dividing both sides by 5. X to x patas. X equals to 7 over 5. Plus 7 moving to other side. Minus 7. Minus 7. Dividing both sides by 5. 5 to 5 patas. X equals to minus 7 over 5. That means x equals to plus 7 over 5 or minus 7 over 5 is the answer. Right. Then let's quickly move to question number 10. Taggalamu question number 10 negada. Sin theta. Sin theta equals to 3 over 5. Sin theta. Sin theta means sokato. Onalamai. SOH. Sokato. C right? Tau means lamai t equals to OA. තේනද? so කාටෝ මේක හැමතිස්සෙම කියන්න ළමයි. හැමතිස්සෙම මේක කියන්න. so කාටෝ let එකට යද්දිත් කියන්න. හරිද? so කාටෝ. හරිනේ? so means ළමයි sign. Sign means opposite over h. Opposite means 3, h means 5. Opposite means 3, hypo means 5. Opposite 3, hypo 5. Opposite 3, hypo 5. And now lamai, find the value of cos theta. We can apply Pythagoras theorem, right? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. I'm going to take this one as y, right? I'm going to take this one as y. 3 squared plus y squared equals to 5 squared. 9 plus y squared equals to 25. Y squared means 9 moving to other side, 25 minus 9. Y squared equals to 16. කාගේ ස්ක්වයර් එකද පැටියෝ 16 වෙන්නේ 4 squared. That means ළමයි y equals to 4. That means y equals to 4. Y equals to 4. Right? Wait a minute. Y equals to 4. Y equals to 4 means, look at this one. Y equals to 4. දැන් අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා හොයාගත්තානේ. Y equals to 4. Y equals to 4 means පැටියෝ මේ බලන්න. Y equals to 4. අපි දැන් ඉස්සෙල්ලා හොයාගත්තා y equals to 4. Y equals to 4 means cos theta. Cos theta means lamai. Cos theta means adjacent over hypo. So what is the adjacent? Adjacent means 4. Adjacent, what is the adjacent? Adjacent 4, 4 over 5. Adjacent 4, 4 over 5. Adjacent over hypo, right? Adjacent 4 and 4 over 5. Right. Question number 11. Let's quickly move to question number 11. Select under which of the following cases can be shown, right? එතනින් බලමු අපි. Which of the following cases can be shown that two triangle ABCDEF are congruent and underline it. Right, okay. Let's see. බලමු අපි. On ළමයි. Now you can see those two triangles. දැන් ඔයාලට පේනවනේ triangles දෙක. Right. Let's see. 70 70 equal AC equals to DF. AC equals to DF. This is side ne. This one also side. ABC equals to DEF. ABC equals to DEF. This one is angle. Right? Just consider parallel lines. Look at the parallel lines. Just consider parallel lines. That means those two angles are equal. Just consider parallel lines. Those two angles are equal. Those two angles are equal means lamai alternate angle. Alternate angles means again angle. Then two angles and one side. Two angles and one side means AAS, right? Two angles and one side means AAS. Two angles and one side means AAS. Right. Let's quickly move to the next one. A sector with central angle 60. A sector with central angle 60 has been cut out from a circular lamina of radius 10.5. Find the area of this sector. So that means there is a sector. Get this one. There is a sector Angle at the center means 60 degrees. So radius equals to 10.5. Radius equals to 10.5 centimeters. Radius equals to 10.5 centimeters. Find the area of this sector. How to find the area of a sector, Lamai? Area equals to 5r squared into theta over 360. 5 means Lamai 22 over 7 into R means 10.5 into 10.5 into theta means Lamai 60 over 360. Theta means patio 60 over, right? 60 over. So that means 360. 60 over 360. 60 over 360. Right. Harinamede. 60 over 360. Yes, 60 over 360. Let's try to do that one. Taggala balamu. 60 over 360. 5 means lamai 22 over 7. R means 10.5. R means 10.5 multiplied by again 10.5 multiplied by theta means 60. Theta equals to 60 over 360. 0 to 0 cancelled out. 6 divided by 6, 1. 36 divided by 6, 6. 7 divided by 7, 1. 10.5 divided by, so that means 1.5. 22 and 6. 22 and 6 lamai I can divide by 2. 22 divided by 2, 11. 6 divided by 2, 3. මෙයත් කපන්න පුළුවන් නේ. එවත් කපලා දාමු. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1.5 means 0.5. එතකොට ළමයි 11 into 10.5 into 11 into 10.5 into 0.5. 11 into 10.5 into 0.5. Right. Harine. So 11 into 10.5 into 0.5. Then you can simplify the answer, right? ඔගොල්ලෝ simplify කරගන්න answer එක. Find the area of that one. පුළුවන් නේ simplify කරගන්න. 10.5 ළමයි multiply by 10.5 multiply by 11. Right? 5, 5, 1, 1. ඕන එකක් 11 වලින් multiply කරන්න මම කියලා දුන්නා ළමයි. හරි? How to multiply any number by 11. I told you that one, right? මම ඔයාලට කියලා දුන්නා කොහොමද multiply කරන්න කියලා. Or you can follow the simple method. That means forget the decimal places. Just forget the decimal places. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 5, 5, 1, 1. That means how many decimal places? 115.5. 115.5 is the answer. 115.5. Now this one equals to 115.5. 115.5 multiplied by 0.5. 115.5 multiplied by 0.5. 5 into 5, 25 remaining 2. 5 into 5, 25 plus 2, 27 remaining 2. 5 into 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Then 5. That means 5, 7, 7, 5. Analamai. That means 2 decimal places. Decimal places දෙකක් එන්න ඕන එතකොට. හරිනේ? ඇයි? How many decimal places are there? 1 and 2. That means you need to take 2 decimal places. Okay ළමයි නේ? Right. Quickly do that one. ටක් ගාලා කරන්න. Square centimeters. Square centimeters. 12 square centimeters. Question number 13. Question number 13. If two events X and Y are if two events X and Y are mutually exclusive, right? Mutually exclusive means, right? Mutually exclusive means ළමයි disjoint. මෙහෙම තියෙන්න බැරිව. ඔහොම. Right? XY, mutually exclusive events in a random experiment, PX, PY, then find the value of PX union Y. We know that what is the equation? PX union Y equals to PX plus PY minus PX intersect Y. Now what is the value of PX? 1 over 5. PY 12 over 5 over 12. ඉතින් ළමයි intersect එකක් නෑනේ වැඩියෝ that intersect part is 0 නේ. Intersect එකක් නෑනේ. P intersect Y equals to 0 නේ. ඇයි? No intersections. So that means ළමයි 0. That means 1 over 5 plus 5 over 12. හදාගන්න take the common denominator, then you can simplify. Take the common denominator 60, then you can simplify. Then I'm quickly moving to question number 14, 15. මම ටක් ගාලා යනවා question number 14 and 15. ටක් ගාලා බලමු. Question number 14, 15. O is the center of the circle in the given figure. PR is the tangent to the circle drawn at A. If OAC equals to 60, find the magnitude of AQC. Find the magnitude of AQC. Anna lamai. Find the magnitude of AQC. Right. Let's see that one. Taggala balamu. Right. Okay. Now you can see that one. Harine. Right. Menna balanna. Right. OAC 60. OAC 60. OAC 60. This one equals to 60. OAC 60. Right? OAC 60. Then lamai. O is the center. PR is the tangent. PR is the tangent. Okay. PR is the tangent. O is the center. O is the center means lamai PR tangent means we know that tangent perpendicular to radius. Neither tangent perpendicular to radius. Tangent එක radius එකට perpendicular. That means lamai how many degrees? This one equals to 90 degree. Now OAC 60. දැන් එයා 90 නේ. මෙයා 60. 60 means lamai RAC. අන්න RAC plus ACAO, OAC, RAC plus OAC equals to 90 degree. 90 degree. OAC means lamai 60, right? RAC plus 60 equals to 90 degree. Plus 60 moving to other side. RAC equals to 90 minus 60 equals to RAC equals to 30. RAC equals to 30. What is the reason? Radius perpendicular to tangent. Right? Radius perpendicular to tangent. Right? Then we need to find the value of AQC. Right? Look at this one. RS equals to 30. Find the magnitude of AQC. Find the magnitude of AQC. Find the magnitude of AQC. This one. Now, just consider lamai this one equals to 30. This is the tangent and this is the chord. Then this one also 30. එයත් ළමයි 30. Why? Angle at the alternate segment. So AQC equals to, look at this one. AQC equals to 30. AQC equals to 30. Why? What is the reason? Angle at the alternate segment. AQC equals to 30. Angle at the alternate segment, right? ලියන්න you need to write down the reason. ලියන්න ඕන අනිවාර්යෙන් හොදේ නැත්නම් ලකුණු හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. Angle at the alternate segment. AQC equals to 30. Right? Okay. Then look at the next one. දැන් බලමු ඊළඟ එක. Question number, what is the question number? Question number 15. 15, 16, 17, right? Question number 15. According to the information given in the figure, name a line segment BE. Lamai, we can apply midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem means if you are going to join two midpoint of a triangle, that it will parallel to the third side. That means midpoint line that will parallel to third side. Then CE equals to BE. May lines they got equal නේ. Then what is the answer? Then what is the answer? What is the line segment equals to BE? CE. මේ paper එක ලේසි ළමයි හරි. DE equals to 12. DE 12 according to midpoint theorem lamai. AB equals to double DE. AB equals to double DE. AB equals to double DE. AB කියන්නේ බැඩියෝ මෙයා වගේ දෙගුණයක්. හරි. AB equals to double DE. So that means lamai AB DE 12 means AB equals to 2 multiplied by 12. 2 multiplied by 12, what is the answer? 24 centimeters. 2 multiplied by 12, 24 centimeters. What is the reason? Midpoint theorem. What is the reason? Midpoint theorem. MPT. APT කියලා දාන්න එපා. APT කියන්නේ හින්දුවල ළමයි. MPT. Right? What is the midpoint theorem? MPT. වැඩේ ගොඩ. හරිනේ? Right. Then we can quickly move to the next one. ටක් ගාලා යනවා ඊළඟ වැඩේට. Question number 16. Look at the question number 16, right? Look at the question number 16. The area of a curved surface, the area of a curved surface of a right circular cylinder, area of a curved surface of a right circular cylinder, right? Area of a curved surface of a right circular cylinder, base diameter, diameter 21. Diameter 21 centimeter is 330 square centimeter. 330 square centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So what is the height of the cylinder? Lamai, right? What is the height of the cylinder? 25RH. ඒකනේ curve area එක. Curve area means 25RH. 25RH equals to 330. 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by R කියන්නේ radius. Radius means diameter divided by 2. Diameter 21. 21 divided by 2 multiplied by H equals to 330. Then lamai 2 to 2 cancelled out. 7 divided by 7 1. 21 divided by 7 3. Right? 21 divided by 7 3. That means 22 multiplied by 3 multiplied by H equals to 330. හරිනේ? දැන් මොකද කරන්නේ? We can divide both sides by 22. මෙයා කැපිලා යන 22 වලින් බෙදන්න ඕන. ආයිමත් ළමයි 3 වලින්. Right. TC, then we can find the value of H. 11 divide by 11, 2 divide by 11, 3, 30. Divide by 2, 1 divide by 2, 15. Divide by 3, 1 divide by 3, 5. So that means h equals to 5 centimeters. H equals to lamai 5 centimeters. Okay, nene? H equals to 5 centimeters. Right. The magnitude of PNA. Find the magnitude of PNA. 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 Right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Find the magnitude of PNA. බලමු ළමයි කරන්න. Right. Have they given that this is a tangent or something? No. Right. Based on the information given in the figure. Ne? 80, 60. Right. Okay. 60 means lamai PNA. This one also 60. Right. Look at this one. According to angle at the alternate segment lamai. Angle at the alternate segment ni. Right. 80. That 80 equals to, this is the tangent. And this one is the chord. Then this one also 80. Angle at the alternate segment. So ANL equals to 80. You need to write down the reason angle at the alternate segment. 60 ne, 60. Just consider this one. Meya hitanna. Just consider this one. I'm going to use brown color. That 60 means 60 equals to, right? This is the chord. Just consider this chord, right? Sorry, just consider this chord lamai. 60 means opposite to chord, opposite angle to chord. Anna lamai, this one also 60. එයත් මොකද වෙන්නේ 60. LNP equals to 60. Angle at the alternate segment. Now lamai, look at the question. They are asking the value of PNA. ඒගොල්ලෝ අහන්නේ මොනවද? PNA. PNA means lamai me. PNA means PNA equals to PNL plus LNA. PNL 60, LNA 80, 60 plus 80, 140. 60 plus 80, lamai, what is the answer? 140. Right? අන්න එහෙම තමයි ළමයි වැඩේ යන්නේ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 last 8 questions. අන්තිම ප්‍රශ්න 8 යන්නේ. Right? Okay නේ? Yes. Then we can quickly move to last questions, right? Then we can quickly move to last questions. Right. Okay. Very good. Look at this one. If square root of 2 equals to 1.414, if square root of 2 equals to 1.414, find the value of square root of 32. 32 lamai, 32, but you look at this one, they already given 2. 2 and 32 we can write down. 32 we can write down 2 multiplied by 16. 32 කියන්නේ 2 multiplied by 16. අන්න අපිට separate කරන්න පුළුවන්. Square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 16. Square root of 2 means 1.414. Square root of 16 means 4. 4 into 4, 16 remaining 1. 4 into 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 4 into 4, 16 remaining 1. 4 into 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So that means my square root of 16 equals to, right, 5.616. Does the point 3, 5 lie on the straight line? This one. Why? How to find out that one? If that point lies on the given straight line, that should be satisfy the given points. එහෙනම් ළමයි මේ දීලා තියෙන points ටික satisfy කරන්න ඕන. හරිද පැටියෝ? Then we need to satisfy the given points. That means, look at this one. 4y minus 3x equals to 11. 4y minus 3x equals to 11 means, හොඳට අහගන්න මම කියන එක. හරි? So that means ළමයි 4y minus 3x equals to 11 means, right? Let's satisfy when when this one equals to x ne, this one equals to y ne. 4 multiplied by y means 5 minus 3 multiplied by x means 3. 4 multiplied by 5, 20. 3 into 3, 9. 20 minus 9, 11. Yes, it will satisfy the equation. Equation එක satisfy වෙනවා. Therefore, that point is lies on the circle, right? Then you need to write down what is the answer. It satisfies the equation. Therefore, that point lies on the circle. Right. 108. Look at this one. Line 60. Just consider the question number 20. If AB is the diameter of the circle with center O, find the magnitude of the following angles, right? So we need to find down the magnitude of the following angles, right? 60 OC equals to OB. OC equals to OB. Therefore, lamai, right? මේ බලන්න. OC equals to OB, right? Therefore, මොකද වෙන්නේ? OC equals to OB. Opposite sides are equal means opposite angles are equal. X, this one also X. Opposite angles are equal. 60 plus X plus 6. 60 plus X plus X equals to 180. Angles in a triangle. X plus X means 2X. 60 plus 2x equals to 180. Plus 60 moving to other side. එහා පැත්තට යනවා හොදේ. 2x equals to 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 ළමයි 120. 2x equals to 120. Divide both side by 2. Divide both side by 2. X equals to 60, right? X equals to lamai 60, right? X equals to 60. Actually, this is, so I'm just taking this one as X. මෙයා මම X කියලා ගන්න හොදේ. Right? මෙයා චුට්ටක් අමතක කරමු අපි. Right. එයා පොඩ්ඩක් අමතක කරමු X. මේ බලන්න ළමයි, this one equals to X means what is the question? They're asking the value of CAB. 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 Right? CAB. Let's find out that later. What is the next angle? ABC. ABC also 60. ABC means 60, right? So what is the value of ABC, lamai? ABC equals to 60. Then we can find down the next angle, CAB. CAB, මෙයා කොහොමද පැටියෝ කරන්නේ? Now we know that those two sides are equal, same radius. This one equals to 90 නේද? ACB equals to 90. Why? Angles at the semicircle. Angles at the semicircle. This is the diameter. Angle at the semicircle means 90. So 90 means, lamai, this one equals to 60. Mea 60. 60 minus 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60. This one equals to 30. 90 minus 60 means this one equals to 30. 30 means this one also 30. Mea 30. Vertically opposite. side. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal means opposite angles are equal. එයා 30 නම් මෙයාත් කීයද 30. So that means CAB equals to 30. හරිනේ? CAB equals to 30. Right? Try to complete that one. ටක් ගාලා කරගන්න ළමයි. Try to complete that one. Hurry up. Right? Then now you can see that one. Factorize 21. Right? Factorize 21. Factorize 21. Minus 12 multiplied by 3. Minus 12 multiplied by 3. Minus 36. Minus 12 multiplied by 3. Minus 36. Minus ළමයි. දැන් මම පොඩි hint එකක් කියන්න. දැන් මේක තමයි hint එක. Minus means we need to use opposite signs. Plus means same sign. Now here minus. Minus means we have to use opposite signs. Minus කියන අපිට දාන්න වෙන්නේ මොනවද? Opposite sides, right? So what are the factors? Multiplication should be equals to 36. Subtraction අඩු කරාම පහක් වෙන්න ඕන. පොඩ්ඩක් බලමුද? 36 1 multiplied by 36 හරියන්නේ නැහැ ළමයි. 36 minus 1 35. 3 multiplied by 12 හරියන්නේ නැහැනේ. 12 multiplied by 3 36 but 12 minus 3 9 නෑ match වෙන්නේ නෑ. 4 multiplied by 9 4 into 9 36 4 minus 9 minus 4 5 අන්න set වෙනවා. අන්න set කරන්න එහෙනම් 3x squared plus 9x minus 4x minus 12, right? Minus 12. Then lamai, we need to factorize this one. So we can take 3 and x common, x plus 3. Methenin gannawa පැටියෝ minus 4 common, x plus 3, x plus 3 common, x plus 3 common, ඊළඟට set වෙන්නේ 3x minus 4. අන්න ළමයි, how we can factorize that one. This is the way we can factorize that part. We quickly complete that one. ටක් ගාලා කරන්න. 4 and 9, right? X plus 3, 3x minus 4. Question number 21. Question number 22 ළමයි. Look at the question number 22. බලන්න question number 22. Right? Let's quickly move to question number 22. In the given figure, the center of the circle O and the radius is 5. Okay. AB and PQ are two chords of the circle. Two chords of the circle. OD equals to OM. OD equals to OM. And they are perpendicular. Lamai, they are perpendicular to the chord. Perpendicular to the chord means nothing to worry. Perpendicular to the chord means lamai, right? So they are perpendicular to the chord means neither according to theorem, you know that dhanwa theorem එක, right? According to theorem, AD equals to DB, PM equals to PMQ. Hey, perpendicular means chord bisect. Perpendicular means chord bisect. Chord එක bisect වෙනවා. Perpendicular means chord will bisect. If OD equals to OM, if OD equals to OM, if OD equals to OM, right, okay. If OD equals to OM and they are perpendicular to chords, right? OM equals to 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord AB. OM equals to 3 centimeter. OM equals to 3 centimeter. OM equals to 3 centimeter. Right, okay. This one also 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. හරි ළමයි 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Radius 5. Radius 5. Radius 5 means this one equals to 5 centimeter. Just consider OMQ triangle. We can apply Pythagoras to OMQ triangle. 3 squared plus MQ plus, right? What is the question they're asking? මොකක්ද අහන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ? AB, find the length of AB. Find the length of AB, lamai. Right? Find the length of AB means, let's consider this one. 3 squared plus AD squared equals to 5 squared. Radius 5 ne? 9 plus AD squared equals to 5 squared means 25. AD squared equals to 25 minus 9. AD squared 25 minus 9, 16. Then AD equals to AD squared means lamai 4 squared. AD equals to 4. AD equals to 4 centimeter. AD equals to 4 centimeter means 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Altogether, AB equals to 8 centimeter. පට්ට ලේසි. ඇයි chord bisect. Chord එක bisect වෙනවා. So 4 centimeter means 4 centimeter 4 plus 4 centimeter. That means 8 centimeter. Right? Then you can copy this down. Right? හදාගන්න පැටියෝ. If you have any question, just drop me the WhatsApp message. 07175746679 is my WhatsApp number. Right? Yes. හරිනේ? Right. මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තිබ්බොත් මට message එකක් දාන්න. හොඳේ? තේරෙන්නේ නැත්තම්. Question number 23, 24, 25. පටකාලි ඉවර කළා දාතේ වැඩි. 24, 24, 24. The volume of the right circular cylinder with base radius 7 and shown in the figure is volume 800, 3080. Find the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Pi r squared h equals to 3080. 22 over 7 into r means 7. 7 into 7 into h equals to 3080. 3080. 7 to 7 cancelled out. 22 multiplied by 7 into h equals to 3080. We can divide both sides by 7. දෙපැත්තම 7ෙන් බෙදලා දාන්න ළමයි divide both sides by 7. 7 to 7 cancelled out. 22 h equals to 440. Divide both sides by 22. 22 to 22 cancelled out. H equals to 22 divided by 22, 1. 44 divided by 22, 2. That means lamai 20 centimeter. H equals to 20 centimeter. In arithmetic progression, second term is 10. Then මෙහෙමයි ළමයි. Just consider the arithmetic progression. First term A. Second term පැටියෝ A plus D. Third term A plus 2D. ඔහොමනේ යන්නේ. Second term is 10. ඒ කියන්නේ A plus D equals to 10. 12 term is greater than 10 term by 12. Now, according to this pattern, what is the 12th term? The method term. 12th term means x plus 11d. 12th term means x plus 11d. 12th term means x plus 11d. X plus, sorry, a plus 11d, right? A plus 11d greater than is greater than 10 term by 12. ඒ කියන්නේ 12 term difference between 12 term and 10 term. Difference between 12 term and 10 term. Difference between 12 term and 10 term. 10 term means a plus 9d. I second එකක් අඩුවෙන් යන්නේ. Third term means a plus 2d. 10 term means a plus 9d. A plus 9d. 12 term minus 10 term equals to 12. දැන් බලමු. A plus 11d minus into a minus into plus minus 9d equals to 12. A to a cancelled out. 11 minus 9, 2d equals to 12. Dividing by both sides by 2, d equals to 6. D equals to 6 means we can apply d equals to 6 here. Anna plus 6 moving to other side. When we can move plus 6 moving to other side minus 6. Anna දාන ළමයි answer එක a equals to what is the answer? Right? A equals to 4. Hari? Last question of the short question part. අන්තිම question එක short questions වල. Okay නේ? A sketch of a semicircular flower bed is given in the figure using the knowledge of loci. Complete the sketch indicating how the center of the semicircular flower bed is found. A sketch of a semicircular flower bed is given in the figure using the knowledge of loci. Complete the sketch indicating how the center of the semicircle of the flower bed is found. How to find the center of the flower circle? Right? Flower bed. Right? Yes. So how to do that one? So what is the this is the semicircular flower bed no lamai. Semicircular means, right? Semicircular means we can perpendicular bisect. That one is easy. Neither perpendicular bisect එකක් ගහන්න. Take more than half of this part and draw perpendicular bisector. And so this is the center, right? This is the center of the semicircle. So this is the first part, පළවෙනි part එක, right? This is the first part lamai. Then we can quickly move to the right. Yes. Then we can quickly move to second part. අපි යනවා ඊළඟට කිවෙනි part එකටද? Second part එකට. Second part means structured part. ඔන්න ළමයි අපි යනවා structured part එකට. Let's try to do that one. How to do the structured part. දැන් බලමු structured part එක කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. Right? Let's quickly move to the structured part. Part B lamai. Look at the part B first question. This year, so expected 3/10 of Sri Lanka's annual rice requirement will be met from paddy cultivations in Yala and paddy cultivations in Maha season, right? Again, Yala Maha set dekane oya. For the Yala season lamai, cultivation in Yala season 3/10 and Maha season, so 3/5. Find what fraction of the total rice requirement fulfilled through paddy cultivation in Yala season and Maha seasons in this year. So that means we need to add Yala plus Maha 3/10 plus 3/5. Denominator. Look at the denominators lamai, right? 5 we need to convert to 10. Multiply both sides by 10. Multiply both sides by 2. 5 we need to convert to 10. So that means 3/10 plus 3 into 2, 6/10. 6 plus 3 means lamai 9/10. Express the expected shortage of rice this year as a fraction of the total annual rice requirement. So shortage, 9 parts can be covered. So what is the shortage? 1/10 is the shortage. 10 එකක් මදි වෙනවා. In order to avoid the upcoming shortage of rice, the government has approved to import 3/5 of annual, 3/5 of annual shortage through the private sector and the balance through the government sector. Now 1/10 is the shortage. So government, what they are doing, Lamai, they are going to plan to cover that 1/10, 3/5 from the private sector, balance through the annual sector, government sector. What fraction of the total requirement is the amount important to the private sector? Private sector means lamai shortage kiyak the video, right? Shortage, so that means 1/10 of 1/10 of 1/10 of 3/5 of annual rice shortage. 1/10 of 3/5, right? 1/10 of 3/5. What is the fraction of the total rice requirement? Of means lamai multiplication, multiply by 3/5. That means lamai 1 into 3, 3 in 5 into 10, 50. Right? 5 into 10, 50. Question number 4. Now look at the summary lamai. 3/50 covered by private sector. 3/10 covered by yellow season. For 3/5 covered by මහ season. දැන් යල සෙට් එකෙන් එකක් එනවා මහ සෙට් එකෙන් මහ සීසන් එකෙන් තව සෙට් එකක් එනවා ප්‍රයිවට් සෙට් එක තව ටිකක් ගෙන්නනවා ඉතුරු සෙට් එක ගවර්න්මන්ට් එක ගෙන්නනවා එහෙමනේ බැලන්ස් කරන්නේ හරිනේ බැලන්ස් කරන්නේ එහෙම right 1 kilogram of rice can earn a profit of 110 rupees by selling the imported rice at the maximum control price by set by the government. Thus, if the private sector get a profit, 2.7 billion. Billion දෙකකට වඩා තියෙනවා 2.730 billion rupees more than the government sector from the imported rice. How many metric tons of rice required in Sri Lanka annually? Annually means we need to find the full part. Before that, we need to find down the connection between that one. 1 kilogram of rice can earn 110 rupees. Right? Neither profit 110 rupees. Right? Private sector earns this much. Private sector gets profit this much rupees more than government sector. So what is the government sector, Lamai? Right? Government sector. So what is the portion by government sector? Look at the portion by government sector. 1/10 into 3/5 for the private sector. Remaining part lamai government sector. Right? Maintain 3/5 for the private sector. What is the remaining part? 2/5 for the government sector. Ituru tikane 2/5. 1 and 2. 1 and 5. 5 into 5, 25, right? 1/25 for the government sector. Sampurna rice garning 1/25 kilogram, 1/25. That fraction will be taken by the government sector. 1/25 means 2/50. Now, what is the difference between private sector and government sector? What is the difference between private sector and government sector? What is the difference between private sector and government sector? 3/50 minus 1/50, 2/50. 1/50 is the difference between government sector and private sector. Okay, the lamai 1/50. 1/50 is the right. So that means lamai 2/50. Api isala dakka 2/50. Then what is the difference? Difference equals to 1/50. 1/50 is the difference. 1/50 means this much profit. Then අපිට ඕන profit නෙවෙයි ළමයි අපිට ඕන how many kilograms. So how many kilograms, right? So that means lamai 27302000000. Hari neda? Divide by 110. 0 to 0 patas. We need to divide this one by 11, right? Profit of this one. So let's take how many kilograms. Podda balamu api. How many kilograms? 27, 30, 200, 00. 30, 27, 30, 200, 00. Divide by 11. 2, 11 into 2, 22. 53 means lamai 4. 90 means 8. 22 means 2. 0, 0, 0, 0. How many kilograms lamai? How many kilograms? 224,820 kilograms. 24,820 kilograms. So how to find the full portion? How to find the full portion? This one equals to 1 part. How to find the full portion, lamai? Total kilograms. So that means annual requirement. Sampurna gana. කොහොමද පැටියෝ කරන්නේ? Multiply by 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to take 5 zeros. 5 into 2, 10 remaining 1, 41 remaining 4, 24 remaining 2, 12. Right? So that means lamai 12 kilograms. Harine. Right. Let's quickly move to the next one. The shaded region in the figure shows a model drawn to the student create an exhibit. Write down the radii of the largest, what is the largest and the smallest circle used to create this mold, right? Largest lamai 7. So this is the largest one. That means 7, right? Largest means 7. 7 to, this is the smallest one, 7 to 3.5. Diameter 7 means what is the radius? 3.5. That means 2 to 1. Find the perimeter of this model. Lamai me balanna. I'm going to find down that blue color one, right? Blue color one means ARC. ARC means 2 into 5 into R means 7 multiplied by 1 over 2, right? Multiply by 1 over 2. So that means lamai multiply by 1 over 2. 2 to 2 cancelled out, 7 to 7 cancelled out, 22 centimeters. 22 centimeters. This one also 22 centimeters. 22 centimeters plus 22 centimeters, 44 centimeters. Then blue colors deka hari. Then hoyanna ඕන මේ දෙක. So I'm just going to find down the brown color. That means lamai 3.5. APB. APB equals to 2, 5, R diameter 7, 7 divided by 2, 3.5 and half. 2 to 2 cancelled out, 7 to 7 cancelled out, 11. 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 22 centimeter. Then total perimeter means 44 plus 22. 66 centimeter is the answer. 66 centimeter is the answer. Right? How to find the area, lamai? How to find the area? Yes, how to find the area of this model? Easy. Let's try to find down the semicircle, area of the semicircle. Phi R means 7. R into half. Phi R is squared into half, right? Phi R is squared into half. R into half. R into half. Then phi R into half, right? Uh, 7 to 7 cancelled out. 2 to 2, 11. 11 into 7, lamai 77 square centimeter. 77 square centimeter. Then we need to subtract that small portion. ඊට පස්සේ අර පොඩි portion එක අඩු කරන්න ඕන. Phi R means 7 divided by 2 into 7 divided by 2 into half. 7 to 7 cancelled out. 11. 77 divide by 4. 77 divide by 4. 77 divide by 4, 1. 37 means 9. 10 means 2, 5. 77 minus 19.25 square centimeters. 77 minus 19.25 square centimeters. Right? 19.25 square centimeters. 77.00 19.25 5 9 minus 2 7 16 minus 9 7 Nilamai. Right? So this one equals to 16 minus 9 7, then 6 minus 1 5. Right? Okay, neda. Then 57.75 square centimeter is the answer. That means for the area, Lamai, what is the area? 57. So that is the answer for the second question, right? That is the answer for the second question. Right, okay. Let's quickly move to the next one. Taggalamu. Right, I will show you that one. Find the area of the model, right? Yes. Look at the next one, Lamai. If 1 centimeter thick, right? So that means, look at the next one. If a 1 centimeter thick rectangular metal sheet of length 21 centimeter and breadth 14 centimeter was used to create this model. Find the area of the remaining portion of the rectangular metal sheet after creating this model. If 1 centimeter thick rectangular metal sheet of length 21 centimeter and breadth 14 centimeter was used to create this model, find the area of the remaining portion. 21 centimeter and breadth 14. Hari, 21, 7, 21 and breadth 14. They're asking the remaining portion, right? Yes, that means Lamai 21 centimeter, 14 centimeter, easy. Then what is the area of this model, Lamai? So what is the area of this model? Right? What is the area of this model? Tamang isalakwa question number 3. What is the area of this part? The long part, the big part, 77. The area of the small portion, 19.25. Then what is the area of a one shaded part? මේ එක part එකක් කීයද 77 minus 19.25 57.75 57.75 multiplied by 2. Hey, how many parts are there? There are two parts like that. දෙකක් තියෙනවානේ. 57.75 multiplied by 2. 2 into 5, 10 remaining 1. 15 remaining 1. 15 remaining 1. 11. 115.50 cubic centimeter. Sorry, square centimeter. That is the area of this model. Now look at the question. Look at the fourth question. දැන් බලන්න fourth එකේ මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? If 1 centimeter thick regular metal sheet of length 21 centimeter was used to create this model, find the area of the remaining portion of the rectangular metal sheet after creating this one. Then Lamai, first you need to find down the area of the rectangle. Then what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle 21 multiplied by 14. Right? 21 14, 1 into 14, 4 remaining 1. 28 plus 1, 29. 294 square centimeters. එහෙම නේද? ඒ ළමයි 294 square centimeters. 21 multiplied by 14. Then what is the area of the above figure? මෙන්න මේ figure එකේ මොකද්ද? Right? What is the area of the above figure? 115.50. Remaining part lamai. Remaining equals to 294 minus 115.50. This is the remaining part, right? This is the remaining part. Then you can find down that one, 294 minus 115.50. That is the remaining part, right? Then what is the remaining part? 294 minus 115.50. 115.50. How to find down the remaining area, Lamai? Right? How to find down the remaining area? Remaining area equals to 294.00 minus 115.50. 10 minus 5, 5. 13 minus 5, 8. 7. 178. 178.50. 50 square centimeter. 178.50 square centimeter, right? Yes. That one is easy. Okay, ne? Hare ne? Right. Then we can quickly move to the next one, right? Tagalam pati langeta. Right. Let's quickly move to the next one. Square meters, right? Question number 4. Question number 5. Look at the last one. Look at the last one. Question number 5, right? Look at the last one. Question number 5. If the cost of 1 square centimeter of the sheet 250 EC, find the amount of metal sheet used to create this model. Create that model. So that means 250 multiplied by, what is the model, Lamai? 115.50. Forget the decimal places, multiply as usual and keep 2 decimals, right? Decimals දෙකක් තියන්න තියෙන. ඔය විදිහට තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Hope you can understand this one. Okay ළමයිනේ. Question number 4 and 5, right? Question number 3 තියෙනවා. Right? Question number 3, question number 4 and 5, right? Yes. Then try to complete that one. I will give you the full answer sheet, right? කරන්න පුළුවන් හරි. So please try to complete that one ළමයි. Paper, what is the paper? Royal College paper 2024-2025 Royal College paper. Okay නේද? Right.